All right, guys, we got the lift here, so we're about to jack this thing up and start on the install. We got the blocks, coilovers, skunk 2 camber kit. Looks like it's got, yeah. So once we get this installed, we'll be able to dial it in a little bit and then take it to the alignment shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so right now we're taking off the coilover. Already took off the top bolts, taking off the bottom here so we can take this out and then start working up top. Alright, we got the coilover loose. Now we just need to separate this ball joint here so that way we can get this control arm to kind of drop down a little bit to give us enough space to remove the coilover and install the new one there. And then we can put the camber kit up here. Alright, so we got everything out. We're going to put the camber kit on here. I got new coilover, old coilover obviously. Yeah, it's coming along. Busted my damn hand. Always wear gloves. But yeah, let's get this on. Alright, so we got the coilover on. Got the camber kit installed. The red looks amazing. So, you know, once I get the red valve cover to match and everything, it's going to look really good. So everything's bolted up. We'll put the wheel back on, lower it, see how it came out. All right, so we're about to separate the ball joint here. There it is. All right, we're just finishing up the height adjustment. We lowered it about an inch. Now we're gonna tighten it up and drop it down and see how it looks. All right, so we lowered it. It looks so good. There's actually so much clearance in here. I think I'm actually gonna drop it another ½ inch, but I definitely wanna go drive it first, make sure nothing's rubbing. And if we're good and nothing's rubbing, I'm gonna drop it another ½ inch in the front. But look at the difference. It literally looks like it's on airbags lifted on the rear end. Way better. All right, let's finish this up. All right, we got the rear coilover out and the camber kit. So got the new camber kit here. Coilover. If you could do the front, the back is super easy. So let's get this done. All right, so we're wrapping up the other side right now, but this side's complete, obviously. You can see how stiff these coilovers are. These are the blocks. I'm pretty sure it's a 8K, 10K spring rate, but I could double check for that. But yeah, this thing is super stiff. All right, so for the blocks, coilovers, for the 96 Civic specifically, there's these shims that you have to put in between here to brace it. But yeah, 4 in a pack. You just put that on there. As you can see, we already got the camber coilover on there. Just the last little bit of bolts here, and we lower this thing down. This is the boy Gio. As you guys know, his car was white previously. He finally got all the body work done. He got the paint done, underglow. It's looking good. It's looking really good. It makes me miss my R34, but you know, happy with the EK and the R33. So the way we wanted it. We came out here to get some photos on the hill, as you guys see the nice background and everything, and we ran into some more car guys here. So we got the 33 GTR, Supra, Subarus, and the other Super Austin down there. So just coincidence, we just rolled up on them. But yeah, out here in Japan, this is what you guys run into. Just but that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing. Catch you guys on the next one.